come on.
You and your smiling face doesn't mean to me. Any man will pick you up just because the next man you got. But I can know as much as I Jesus.